Welcome back to the channel. We are here at GT Homes, the sales office for Palma Del Lago in Miami Lakes. I'm Gino Santarossa with North to South Realty International, your go-to source for the latest and most exciting real estate opportunities here in Florida. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce to you Palma Del Lago, a brand new luxury community in Miami Lakes, brought to you by two of the most trusted names in home building, Green Park Homes and Treasure Hill. If you're looking for modern design, an unbeatable location, and exceptional quality, this could be the perfect place for you. Now let's dive in. First, let's talk about a location. Palma Del Lago is perfectly situated in Miami Lakes, a highly sought after community known for its family-friendly atmosphere, top-rated schools, and easy access to major highways like I-75 and the Palmetto Expressway. You're just minutes away from fine dining, world-class shopping, golf courses, and vibrant entertainment. Plus, with Miami and Fort Lauderdale close by, you're never far away from the action. With 37 estate homes in a prestigious enclave surrounded by water, you're sure to get amazing views with modern or Spanish-style model homes. And lastly, whether you're commuting or looking for a peaceful retreat, Palma Del Lago offers the best of both worlds. Now let's talk about the homes themselves. Green Park Homes and Treasure Hill are known for their attention to detail, and Palma Del Lago is no exception. These homes are designed for modern living. Think open concept layouts, spacious gourmet kitchens with high-end appliances and designer finishes throughout. As you can see, you'll find elegant quartz countertops, sleek cabinetry, spa-inspired bathrooms, and expansive windows that bring in natural light. Every detail has been carefully curated to deliver both style and functionality. And the best part, there are a variety of floor plans to fit your lifestyle, whether you're a growing family, a young professional, or someone looking to retire in style. When it comes to investing in a new home, the builder matters. Green Park Homes and Treasure Hill bring decades of experience and a legacy of delivering quality craftsmanship and customer satisfaction. These are developers who understand what today's buyers want: innovative designs, energy efficiency, and homes that stand the test of time. With their track record, you can feel confident that your investment is in good hands. So why does Palma Del Lago make sense? It's simple. You're getting luxury living in a prime location backed by two of the most respectful builders in the business. Whether you're looking for your dream home or a smart investment opportunity, this community checks all the boxes. And with Miami's real estate market continuing to thrive, getting in now means you're securing a property in one of the most desirable areas for years to come. Homes in Palma Del Lago are already generating buzz, and they won't last long. If you want to learn more or schedule a private tour, give me a call today, 561-871-1889. I'm Gino Santarossa with North to South Realty International. I'm here to help you find that perfect home.